What's up YouTube, it's your girl Erin Victoria. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. I know I look crazy right now, but I just got the shower, washed up, washed my face, brushed my teeth, all that good stuff. Y'all see me getting ready. So this is just gonna be like a get ready with me vlog. Y'all gonna come along with me today. I don't have too much on my agenda, but I do need to go to the ATM so I can pay rent. I need to go get my car washed. I'm gonna cook some chicken and shrimp alfredo tonight. Plane going by. So you guys will see how I cook that. And yeah, I'm gonna get dressed. I'm not wearing anything fancy, not really gonna do my hair because I'm having my hair blocker shades on and incognito and stuff. So I don't really care. So before I go ahead and get completely dressed, I do want to show you guys my new favorite product, my new favorite fragrance. I put her back in the box so that you guys could see how the packaging and everything was. So this is how it came, a small box. And then there's another box. Ta-da! So I pronounced that Dossier. Sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. But then you open it up and iconic scents, designer quality, no markups. Okay, so then there's like a little card. And then here's your fragrance. Oh, isn't it so cute? I love this. This is so cute. So cute. I got the scent Floriental Vanilla. Floriental Vanilla. 50 milliliter bottle, so this should last you, you know, quite a bit. The label is messed up a little bit at the bottom, but I don't really care. This says on here, top notes: mandarin, pear, pink pepper, licorice. Middle notes: jasmine, orange blossom. Base notes: cedarwood, something I can't pronounce, vanilla, and coffee. Okay, so this is supposed to be inspired by the YSL Black Opium bottle. I like that scent, so that's why I chose this one. So it smells so good. It smells so good. Like I said, 50 milliliters or 1.7 ounce. I usually spray here, rub them together, get the neck, and then I might spray like 1 or 2 down the body once I put my clothes on. So it's very long lasting, you guys. I've been wearing this for a while now, and let me tell you a little bit about the actual company, Dossier, just in case you guys want to check them out. So let's look at their website. As you can see, it's super cute, very clean. They are cruelty-free, vegan, crafted in France, luxury scent starting at $29 a bottle. You guys, that is good. That is a freaking steal if you want to be quite honest. They do have unisex scents, women and men, and the shipping was super fast. I'm pretty sure I got it within like a week. I would highly recommend that you try out their fragrances. Like I said, they're long-lasting smells. So freaking good. Like, I get compliments all the time. What are you wearing? Oh my gosh, you smell so good. Thank you. I know it's Dossier, boo. Dossier. Sounding rich as fuck. The discount code and link will be down below in the description box, so make sure you check them out. Okay, don't tell nobody I ain't never put y'all on, because I'm putting y'all on. All right, let's go ahead and get dressed. So now I just have on a little sundress, you guys, from Fashion Nova, something simple. Now that I have my clothes on, I'm gonna get my Dossier and Floriental Vanilla and just do 2 spritz down my body. You know what I'm saying? I'm actually gonna put my waist trainer on, y'all, because your girl is going to Miami at the end of the month, okay? I'm trying trying to be somewhat snatched. And this, I got a new waist trainer. I really don't know what this one's called. My boyfriend got it for me for Christmas on Amazon because I wanted a new one. And I actually like this one better because my old one had a wire in it. Y'all probably know some of the waist trainers have wires that's like right here, and it used to hurt, and it actually would leave, you know, bruise me. So I didn't want one with a wire in it anymore. He got me this one, and this one still has wires, but it's only in the back. Only in the back these are wires. So on the front it's not like puncturing my freaking pelvis. On my tippy toes. So I just do that. We got these. I did one up top and one down below, honey, and now I can't breathe. What's going on with y'all? Comment below. What y'all been up to? What y'all doing this summer? Y'all having a hot girl summer or warm girl summer, hot boy summer? What y'all doing? I'm having a warm girl summer because, you know what I'm saying, I got a man. Got a man back at home. We've been doing this long distance relationship thing for 8 months, almost 8 months now. It's hard. Long distance relationships are fucking hard. I know I look crazy, y'all. I know I look crazy. I'm just gonna go with the messy look today. I really don't care. But yeah, long distance is tough. You really have to rely on like communication and shit. So, but we hanging in there. That's my boo. That's my boo. I'm putting on all my rings, y'all. I am into rings and accessories now. You know what I'm saying? I usually get them from for everyone. I'm not doing no makeup, no lashes, y'all. I'm sorry, I really don't give a fuck today. Today is not the day. Today is not the day, baby girl. Sitting in the car, I was on my phone trying to figure out where the nearest car wash and ATM was. I went Regions Bank. Regions Bank is not out here on the West Coast. So I'm gonna have to go to either another bank and like get charged on my card for pulling money off at another bank, or you know, go to an ATM at a gas station is what I think I'm gonna try to do. So I don't know, we'll see. I'm in Hollywood, by the way, you guys. I really don't know where shit is, so I always have to like Google Maps everything. She's so dirty. She's so dirty. Hi. I'm good. How are you? Do I is there a waiting area? Okay. Thanks. $37. I'm at Expert Car Wash. He said it'd be like 20-25 minutes, so I'm just sitting here. I'm sick of wearing this fucking mask. What about y'all? Sick of the mask. Sick of it. There's my baby. So dirty. Their little mirror is so dirty you can barely see. To the chicken and shrimp Alfredo. We've got garlic powder, lemon pepper, onion powder, lemon juice, 4 cheese, and classic Alfredo. Your spaghetti noodles, chicken breast tenders, and shrimp. Don't forget to add salt and butter to your noodles. Right now I am just pulling off this white stuff that's on the chicken breast tenders. I always pull this off. I don't know what it is, skin, I don't fucking know. But it's ugly and disgusting looking, so I always pull that piece off. And then I'm just gonna chop up my tenders into small little bite-sized pieces. I'm also gonna cut my shrimp in half too, because they were pretty large. Now I'm just dumping lemon juice on them, and then I'm going to season them. Now that my chicken and shrimp are pretty much done, I'm gonna add the cheese sauces, and I'm just gonna eyeball it, you guys. Add less or more depending on how cheesy you want your Alfredo. And then I'm gonna let this simmer and thicken. Only thing left is to add your noodles. Add more cheese if you'd like. Toss, 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 you guys, and add some parsley.
I think I'm gonna sit outside today. I'm gonna try to see if I can bring this awning out so like the sun isn't so bright. I don't know how this works. Thought you might just twist it, but it doesn't look like it twists. Oh yes, let's see. Oh shit, I don't want to break anything. Okay, finally got it all the way across. It took forever. There's another one down there, but I'm not doing that one because I'm just gonna sit under here on my computer